Okay, hi guys. These are the lectures for October 5th through October 9th. Okay, so in case you missed something, you want to review, or you didn't come to class, shame on you, you need to come to class. But just in case, October 7th, these are the notes that I've got here. National Chocolate Covered Pretzel Day. National Inner Beauty Day. Okay, so we're talking about what's on the inside is what counts, guys. You've got to be an honest, loyal, trustworthy, responsible kind of person, and that beauty comes out inside. Okay, so it's kind of like you don't want to be like a piece of fruit, pretty on the inside and rotten on the outside. Pretty on the outside and rotten on the inside. Okay, you got to be pretty on the inside too. All right, just a few words. We took our test. Okay, we did test review. If you did not take your test, you need to take your test. The end of the quarter is October 30th. It's coming up, guys. It's 2 weeks away. If you don't have at least a 50 in this class, you're going to be really hurting. So please contact me and let's see what we can do. All right. So today we are going to do, well, no, we're not doing the warm-up on the recording. We're going to do the negative number review and we're going to start the distance formula. Okay. So this one's about negative numbers. All right. This should be a review. Okay, my daughter made this chart here. First thing you're going to do is figure out what the problem's asking you to do. We're going to be doing adding and subtracting. Let me get a different color here so it shows up. We are going to be doing adding and subtracting. Okay? So I don't know if she does something in here. I don't know what that is. It says determine the sign of the answer. Okay? So the sign of the answer will have the same sides as the bigger number, the same sign as the bigger number. All right, and so then we're going to write that down. So we're going to write it down. Write it down. Okay. All right. Then you solve it. If it's the same signs, you add like normal. If it's different signs, you're going to subtract the big number from the small number. And then you're going to put the sign on the answer. You're going to put this sign, and then you're going to write the answer behind it. So let's see how that works. Here we go. So we look at this, negative 16 minus 5. Okay, we notice that we have a negative 16 and we have a negative 5. Okay, so that's determine the sign of your answer. Okay, so it's going to be negative. Okay, answer will have the same sign as the bigger number, which is negative 16. Okay, same signs, add like normal. Negative 16 minus 5 more is a negative 21. Okay, you guys have had me before. Think of it as you borrow $16, you borrow $5 more, right? So you're going to add it up. Your debt is adding up. So you're negative 21. Okay, let's try number 2. Determine the sign of the answer. 4 minus 8. Okay, answer will have the same sign as the bigger number. All right, the bigger number is an 8, and it's negative. So it's going to be a negative answer. Okay, solve. Same signs? No. This one's positive. The 4 is positive. The 8 is negative. Okay, different signs. Subtract bigger from smaller. So I'm going to do 8 minus 4. And I'm going to get 4. Okay, 4 minus 8 is a negative 4. Okay, remember, we can do that because subtraction is adding the opposite. Okay, and if you want to do that, that makes it easier for you, then go ahead. 5, because it would be adding the opposite. Remember, 2 negative signs make a plus sign. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is positate that thing. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 9 minus 6, nothing fancy there. We've been doing that since 3rd grade. That's 3. Okay, so I want you to pause the video here, and I want you to do 11, 12, 13, and 14. When you are done doing 11, 12, 13, and 14, turn the video back on and see if you got them right. hopefully you paused the video and did these problems on your own, because that's the only way you're going to know if you've got the explanation. All right, 15 minus a negative 1. Remember, we positate that. Okay? It's a broken plus sign, right? Two negative signs. Bring this guy over and make a plus sign with it. Okay, so that's 16. 7 minus 3. Been doing that since 2nd grade. That's a 4. Negative 10 minus 16 more. The signs are the same, so we're going to add them up. 16 and 10 is 26, and they're negative. Okay, this next one, positate. The minute you see two negative signs in a row, slap that plus sign in there. Okay, negative 2 plus 8. The signs are different. Signs are different. I'm going to subtract them. 8 minus 2 is 6. And then I'm going to look. I've got more positives, so my answer is positive 6. So hopefully you got those. If you got those, then you are all set. You know your negative numbers. Nice job.